Okay, we're going to be working on the graphing page today. If your graphing page does not look like this, then you can refer to the next video on the slide. There are two versions of the graphing page. So for this, we're going to be graphing some of these pictures that we see, these icons. It says the directions say, number 1, count the number of symbols in each row. Place that number in the last column. Number 2, answer the questions about the graph. So let's look. For the first word is doctor. We have event, hospital, cruise ship, and concert. So let's count our first ones. How many doctors icons are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're going to put 7 doctors.
7.
Events. How many events are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 events.
5.
The next word is hospital. How many hospitals are there? 1, 2. 2 hospitals.
2.
Our next icon is cruise ship. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 cruise ships.
4.
Our next icon is concert. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 concerts.
6.
Okay, so now we're going to use the numbers that we have, that we just counted, to answer these questions below. All right, so we can do these together. If you want to pause the video before I tell you the answer, you can do that, or you can just follow along. If I'm going too fast, feel free to pause the video. Number 1 asks, which word has the most symbols? Concert, event, or doctor? So the words, we have doctor here with 7, we have event with 5, and we have doctor. Oh my goodness, I'm sorry. Let me start again. We have concert with 6, we have event with 5, and we have doctor with 7. So our numbers are 5, 6, and 7. So the word that has the most symbols, and if the numbers seem confusing, you can look at the symbols. We can see from here that the most is right over here because 7 is the most. So 7 is the most, which means the answer is doctor.
Doctor.
Number 2, which word has the fewest symbols? Hospital, cruise ship, or event? So let's look at that. We have hospital, which has 2. We have cruise ship, which has 4. And we have event, which has 5. So our numbers that we're looking at is 2, 4, and 5. And so our fewest is which one? I'll give you a moment. So our fewest icon is hospital because there's only 2, whereas we have 4. You see all the extra ships we have compared to hospital, and events, which is the most out of those 3. So the answer is hospital.
Hospital.
Number 3 asks, what is the highest number? So which number is highest? 5, 7, or 4? So this is a little tricky, but we can look here. We have 5, 7, or 4. And so we can see this by thinking, do we have, which one has the most amount of icons? And so if we look at that, it's similar to question number 1. The most icons is 7. That is our
7.
highest number. Okay, let's do our next one, which is 4. What is the lowest number? 7, 6, or 2? So if we look at that, we can see 7. Here we have 7 doctors. We have 6 concerts, and we have 2 hospitals. The lowest number is what? It'll be our hospital. 2 over here. 2.
2.
Because that one has the least amount of icons next to it. And then our last one, question asks, do any words have the same number? So any of these numbers the same? Let's check. I see 7, 5, 2, 4, and 6. Are any of those numbers the same? No, I don't see anything that's the same. They're all different numbers. So we're going to put no.
No.
Good job.